Hey there. Today it's halfway there. I did 15 days so far, and my channel, yeah, I think it's doing pretty good. I'm actually surprised with some of the videos. So for example, like this one, it's almost 1,000 views, and like I'm really like it was my second video, and I was really struggling there. You could see that I didn't prepare very well, and I was just still learning how to use software. Yeah, those two actually, two of the first videos did well actually, but then like some of the videos like 2 days ago not too good, and this one like 14 views. That's fine, but like it's still this might be a success, you know, in 16 hours 14 views, maybe that's a success. Maybe 944 in in 11 days, it's a success. What I actually like, I just realized, like the subscriber count is actually going up very quickly. I'm actually, yeah, so this is, I got 90 subscribers here, and but like 20 in last 24 hours. So I still don't understand YouTube, but I think like what I see here, it's actually pretty good. I don't know. The thing is, like the YouTube channel is not the main goal of this project. I wanna sell like a SaaS product, but I always wanted to have a YouTube channel, and I used to work on one like ages ago, and it would actually pay my bills. Like this kind of form where I'm just talking to the camera and not really thinking too much about like, okay, editing and making it nice and making it like really really well crafted. And I'm just trying to be with my thoughts and like writing some codes occasionally, or just like, you know, talking about what I've built. This is actually something new for me, so it's great to actually see that, yeah, people seem to be watching some of it, and some people are actually, you know, the growing amount of people seems to be interested in, you know, in watching that. So yeah, I will keep on doing it. I will just show you how I'm planning to build my sales page. That would be like a page that would be selling the Planero as a product. I'm planning to have a obviously headline, so it's like a main title, H1 in HTML terms. What is my product? What is the problem that my product is going to solve, and why it exists? So like this is something I need to discuss with my partner Rafał, who is a bit more into the in the industry, so he understands much better like what's actually needed. So we'll try to form this together. So for example, like, you know, you want to spend 10 times less time on delivery management using Planero, you know, or there's another thing, wave goodbye to, you know, so wave goodbye to Excel files, or like to spreadsheets that, you know, for managing products or something like that. So maybe we can think of something like that. So it's a bit more, it's not just like Planero is the app for this. Planero is the app where you can manage your products or manage your deliveries. No, this is actually wave goodbye to like horrible delivery planning, management, whatever, with Planero. Wave goodbye to your multiple Excel files or maybe there is one Excel file, one big horrible Excel file that always gets overwritten. Yeah, so maybe that's the pitch, you know. So, you know, you have your Excel file, and like someone in the company is actually overwriting your work, and thanks to Planero, you will not have to worry about that. So then there is a subheadline which expands on that, and it's, you know, it's just like more on that. And you know, you still that's something that I kind of struggled with, but my first idea was you still rely on one person in your company to manage products, update delivery statuses. Like, so probably that expands on, you know, the thing that someone is overwriting it. That's why we have built Planero, the easy to use delivery management tool for busy suppliers, delivery managers, and wherever. So that's actually something. Oh yeah, so this is like a template. The only tool dedicated to helping you in and in 1 and 2 and 3 and deliveries. So you never have to, and like, you know, we have to figure out something like that. So that would be like a short paragraph explaining, like expanding on the title. This is where I would like to show a couple of features. Thanks to those features, the customer will not have to worry about something. So this is how I'm saving my customer, how I'm actually solving their problem. And some calls for action, and you know, so there would be a button. So that's still above the fold. So there's a button here, and you know, view live demo or something. So there would be maybe something that you would click, and then there will be like a video tutorial of me showing how it works with, you know, with my nice camera now, and you need to pay the first 14 days. You don't need to pay for first 14 days. So yeah, like you can sign up and just have it for free for 14 days, and then like, you know, you're gonna pay, hopefully, and hopefully you're gonna use it, you're gonna enjoy it. So next part would be, in my case, like, you know, they were recommending screenshots, video, or like this kind of basic interactive application, which I could actually create quite easily with React, or get one of my the guys in Planero that work with me, you know, more junior guys, to actually sort of get Planero and simplify it. So maybe that's the way to do it. Or video will be actually good as well, or both. You know, I think like probably, you know, I could do screenshots. I could do, so, you know, there could be screenshots, there could be video, and there could be like a interactive app. So the more of it, the better, I guess. Then we have to think of social proofing our application. And I think like this is actually something where I have to invite people to use Planner for free and then get their feedback, hopefully positive. And then they could, you know, maybe I could put some, you know, customer logos of companies that actually are using it. I could write their testimonials. Maybe I can ask them, or they could actually share it on social media and just say like, this, you know, Planner is great. You know, I could copy and paste it, or just like make a screenshot of that. And some links to case studies, you know, so that's probably in future where we could focus more on, like, you know, speaking to those customers and asking them why they like it, why it's good, you know, what would they like to improve, maybe, you know, just kind of something that would actually encourage someone else to buy it based on some recommendation from this client. So social proofing it. The next part will be pricing. So something that I already have. So we have, you know, we have a price A. So in our case now it's free. Then you have your next price, which is, I mean, currently the free and sort of entry account are the same, but I will probably either modify the free one or later, or I will just remove it altogether. And then we have like the professional, I think we called it, or team. I think there was team that was $79 or euros, and then more expensive, and then enterprise was free. So like there would be like the 4 tiles with pricing, you know. So there's free, there's 2 of those paid, then there's maybe enterprise, or maybe I had like free paid or something. We will have to think of it. That's something to worry later, I guess. Probably maybe the free will disappear later or something like it, or maybe there will be 4 tiles and then there will be another one, you know. You want more, just contact us. More detailed feature list. So that's something, you know, we just explain, okay, we have this feature, we have import, export, Excel, we have, you know, statistics, we have Kanban board where you can just move your statuses around. You can specify your columns in the table and stuff like that, you know. So I will actually want to show as many functionalities as I can think of within the application, and try to nicely actually explain them. So maybe that's another place where, you know, screenshots would be good. Here I said I want to have call for action, but maybe after most of the sections, maybe here as well, after social proof, after video, after pricing, and at the end of the page, there should be like a call for action, and then wherever is the action, I have to think of it. I mean, that would be a redirect to the sign up page and the pay. So yeah, this is the plan for my sales page. I will let you, I think today and tomorrow I will be working on it, so I will show it to you after that. And yeah, I hope you like my new camera. I'm actually using Canon, like a mirror camera, like a DSLR camera. I think that's the best I have at home. I've just placed it on the tripod behind my laptop. I think like I will try to lower it down, and yeah, and just pretend that it's a camera for the laptop. The alternative is obviously my previous camera, which was this. I think it's less nice actually. It's a bit more grainy and gray. And this is just like standard laptop camera. I might actually think of buying another one, but I do like this color and the depth of field and stuff. So I think like I will be using this camera for recording. I've got this square now with those shaved corners that really look nice, so I will actually keep that one as well. So yeah, let me know what you think about my sales page. What do you think about my YouTube stuff? And yeah, and thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Yeah.